Hey future millionaires, today's video is for every girl who's ever dreamed of financial freedom, of working from her phone, on her schedule, from anywhere in the world. Maybe you've scrolled past dozens of business ideas online, but didn't know where to start or if it was even realistic. I'm here to tell you not only is it real, but you're at an advantage just by being a woman in this space. Stick around, because I'm breaking down 3 powerful online business models you can start with $0, even if you've never done anything like this before. These aren't just ideas, they're the exact business models that helped me build a $1 million brand in under 2 years. Welcome back to Profit Powerhouse, where we help you turn ambition into income. I'm Isabella, entrepreneur, digital strategist, and self-made millionaire, and I believe in building not just wealth, but freedom. I document everything I learn, build, and launch so you don't have to start from scratch. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because every week I drop completely free, high-value content, step-by-step guides, and even full business blueprints. Let's get into business idea number 1, because this is the one that changed everything for me. 1. Digital products, your gateway to passive income. You've probably heard the term digital product, but let's break it down. A digital product is anything that can be sold or delivered online, no shipping, no inventory. Think ebooks, printable planners, PDF guides, Canva templates, online courses, digital journals, recipe bundles, stock photo bundles, ocean templates, meditation audio files, business resources. The beauty: you create it once and sell it forever. This is true passive income. Why is this perfect for women? Because we naturally dominate in content-rich niches like self-care and mental wellness, fitness and health, motherhood and parenting, beauty and skincare, relationships and communication, personal finance for beginners, home organization, creative hobbies, journaling, crafting, etc. Tip: you don't even need to write these products yourself anymore. Platforms like Trend Assist AI can generate full ebooks, product description, sales copy, email campaigns, marketing strategy. Use Canva to design it. They have hundreds of free templates, and you can literally have a digital product live within an hour. Imagine making $10 per product and selling 1,000 in a month. That's $10,000 on autopilot. Pro tip: bundle your products. A $7 ebook, $15 planner, and $30 mini course. Sell them together for $39 and increase your value instantly. And yes, I have a free step-by-step course on launching digital products from scratch. Links in the description. 2. Niche e-commerce stores. Let's talk niche dropshipping, an online store where you don't touch inventory, don't deal with shipping, and still make bank. How it works: you build a store, list trending products, and when someone buys, your supplier ships directly to them. You pocket the difference. What makes it niche? You don't sell everything, you sell what you know best. For example, hair accessories, skincare tools, pet outfits, home decor for plant mom, stationery for students, modest fashion, feminine hygiene kits, baby care products. As women, we understand these markets intimately. We know what customers want and, more importantly, how to present it. And guess what? You don't even need to build a store from scratch anymore. Tools like Autod's AI Store Builder will build your store in minutes, add winning products for you, connect you with trusted suppliers, automate order fulfillment, track trends for you. Let me repeat that. In 10 minutes, your store can be live with trending products and beautiful branding. And again, I created a completely free video course that walks you through building a niche store step by step. From choosing your niche to setting up marketing. The best part: you keep 100% of the profits. This is the same business model I started with when I was 16 years old. That single store funded my journey into higher ticket business models. 3. Faceless YouTube automation. YouTube is the most powerful platform for organic traffic in the world. But most people think, I'm camera shy, I don't want to talk, I don't know how to edit. Here's the secret: you don't need to show your face to build a YouTube channel. In fact, some of the most viral channels are completely faceless. Examples: top 10 lists, motivational speeches, cooking tutorials, test hands, daily affirmations, relaxing ambience, music, story-based narration, animated explainers. Take the channel top 5. They're making over $1,000 a day, using just stock footage and voiceovers. So how do you get started? Step by step. Take a niche: finance, beauty, productivity, tech, travel, recipes, endless options. Use Trend Assist AI to generate video ideas, titles, descriptions, and scripts. Grab stock footage from free sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Use a free tool like CapCut or Canva Video to edit. Do your own voiceover or hire someone on Fiverr. If you want to stay truly anonymous, you can even use AI voice tools that sound natural. You can publish 5 to 7 minute videos to 2-3 times a week and start monetizing with YouTube AdSense affiliate links, sponsored segments, digital product promos. If your video ranks, it can get views and income for years. Bonus: combine this model with digital products, for example, a wellness channel that promotes your own self-care planner. So let me ask you, what's stopping you? You don't need a business degree. You don't need money to start. All you need is your phone, your Wi-Fi, and the belief that you can actually do this. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to start your online business today and tell me which idea you're going to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new free course, strategy, or trend breakdown. This is Profit Powerhouse, where we don't chase money, we build systems that attract it. See you in the next one. Millionaire.